How to list your car on Booking.com. In this video, I'll show you guys quickly how you can easily list your car or any other vehicle on Booking.com. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser, click on the search bar, and then simply search for business.booking.com. Hit enter. Now you'll be taken directly to the website for Booking.com where you have an option to list anything for sale. So go ahead and click on the sign in option, or if you're new, you could just register for it. And once you get here, enter your login credentials to simply log into your account. Now I'm just going to go ahead and continue with my Google account and then select my account right here. Once you've selected your account, you should be able to log into it without any problem. And if this is your first time logging into businessbooking.com, then you will be asked certain questions like this. So here you're going to have to enter a few details like your title, then your first name, then your last name, and enter the name of your company. Select your country from this dropdown. You can select any country you want. And then from here, you can select the number of travelers. Then click on continue. Now what you want to achieve with booking.com, so you could just choose any one of these options. Click on consent and then click on create account. Once you do that, you can just enter all of these details, and after you are done entering these details, you should be able to list your car or any other vehicle on this platform. That is it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.